Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your notes in Goodnotes aren't saving properly, it can be frustrating, especially if edits disappear. This issue is usually caused by sync problems, storage limits, or temporary glitches. Here is how to fix it step by step. So first thing, check storage space. So go to settings in your phone if you are using Goodnotes in your phone, tap general if you are using iOS, or on Android the same. Go to storage and ensure you have free space, because free space is needed, okay, because no storage equals no saving. You can check iCloud sync, so open settings, tap Apple ID, go to iCloud, make sure iCloud drive is on, Goodnotes is enabled, okay, ensures notes are saved and synced. You can also check internet connection, okay, so you have to have a good stable Wi-Fi, avoid switching networks while you are typing, okay, this prevents sync conflicts, okay, or you can also turn on airplane mode and then turn it off, okay. You can also restart Goodnotes, so close the app completely, whether you are using it in the window, iPhone, iPad, the Android, okay, so restart Goodnotes, like close the app completely and reopen it. This fixes temporary saving glitches. You can also avoid immediate app closure, so wait a few seconds after writing, okay. Let Goodnotes sync changes, especially for large notes, okay, or update the app if it's outdated, because the outdated versions doesn't work. So open App Store and updates Goodnotes, okay, so this fixes bugs related to saving, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.